What film?
Very good.
Twilight.
I understand you watch Twilight while you sleep in your bed. You sleep, then you watch your TV.
No. You watch Twilight while you sleep in your bed.
No, you mean the little horse with the big
No,
ears.
that is a beaver.
Big ears.
Yes, the big ears. You know.
The big tail.
No, the big tail. No, the big.
Yes.
Yes, the big tail. No,
And the big horn on the...
And then there's the very big horn in the ass, not outside ass, in the ass. Also, there's a lot of discuss about the very good horn and the big tails. And also, no ears. We don't need no ears.
But does a cow have ears or
You mean the beaver?
no, the cow.
My friend.
Yes.
Like the
Yes. Lasso.
yes, I know.
Chan.
Exactly.
Chuck
what
Norris.
You mean,
Yes.
you mean very good. I mean. You mean very good. I mean.
Suupark.
I mean super very good. No, I don't mean very good. You mean very good.
You can see one beaver sitting.
In his natural habitat.
It's like the duck.